Amber, come here.
I told you! She's crying! I told you you're going to hell. You're going to hell, I told you.
Say hi to the camera.
You should have seen her face. You should have been
I didn't get it.
She was... Her face was pale, and it was bad.
Hey, Squeezy.
You gotta shut those blinds too, Chels. Just be careful with the curtain.